Nestled within Finland's diverse geography lies a tapestry of industries, from electronics to forestry, each facing unique challenges shaped by the country's extensive network of lakes and archipelagos. But amidst these challenges emerges EDDY Pump, a beacon of innovation and efficiency in Finland's industrial landscape. EDDY Pump is poised to revolutionize material transfer and infrastructure maintenance across key sectors by offering cutting-edge slurry pumps and dredging equipment. Explore our tailored solutions designed specifically to meet Finland's industrial needs, from electronics to chemicals. With advanced technology at its core, EDDY Pump is ready to tackle the logistical hurdles unique to Finland. Let's dive into the arsenal of EDDY Pumps. From submersible slurry pumps to flooded suction pumps, each engineered to handle Finland's diverse terrains and seasonal challenges efficiently. A country where winter ice formations and seasonal darkness pose significant obstacles to material transfer. EDDY Pump steps in with solutions tailored to navigate Finland's intricate waterways and maintain operational continuity year-round. EDDY Pump's suite of solutions addresses Finland's unique challenges across various industries. From navigating northern waterways to overcoming seasonal constraints, EDDY Pump's self-priming slurry pumps prove invaluable in enhancing material transfer efficiency. Meanwhile, our hydraulic dredging equipment ensures the maintenance of vital water channels, supporting industries like forestry and metal production. With a presence spanning key regions like Tampere, Greater Helsinki, Lapland, and Oulu Province, EDDY Pump is more than just a solution provider. We're your local partner committed to Finland's industrial growth. Discover the power of EDDY Pump's rental services today and join us in shaping Finland's industrial future. Contact us today. We pump solids, not water.